You know, I got wildly excited the other day because I saw a stained glass window design. And I thought, that's sort of hexagony. And it's sort of a bit like a design that I do with hexagons. All I had was a camera picture of this. So I had to draw it. Well, you have no idea of how many hours it took to draw it, to try and work out the mathematical correlation between my small camera picture and a hexagon on the outside and a hexagon in the middle. So from a photograph taken of a bit of stained glass window, making it a drawing, playing around, discarding the piecing technique and deciding to do it with this stained glass method, where you can either make your own bias or you can use one of the proprietary ones you can buy, you can come up with a fabulously interesting design that could be done in all scraps of fabric or could be done in colours that just run through and just play.